How to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually fix this, and it's actually not that hard to do. Now let's say you have that error where you literally can't log in and yeah, it's just temporarily disabled. Then that is probably because you have filled in the wrong password for your specific account too many times. So if you have filled in the wrong password too many times, then it might think that you are a bot, and then it will temporarily disable the login for you. Now, if you actually have filled in the wrong password, then that is actually quite annoying. Then you will have to click on Forgot Password and simply change your password. But you might also simply just have filled in the wrong username. For example, my username over here has an underscore in the middle, and let's say I forgot it, for example, and then forgot to add that, and then filled in the wrong username too many times. Then what you can actually do is simply put the correct username in there, and then your login should not be disabled anymore because it's actually set to specific usernames. So if you filled in the wrong username, then you can actually go ahead and now fill in your password and it should work. Now, if you have filled in the correct username, but you still can't log in, then you probably just have filled in the wrong password. You simply have to click on Forgot Password, and then you can go ahead and change it. So that is basically how to fix a Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Now, you also could just try and update your Snapchat to the latest version, but yeah, not sure. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.